what's up? This is Zach here with Genzio Media live in Korea for an awesome event with Hilal. Super excited to be speaking today. Before we kind of dive into it, could you tell us a little bit about your background and what company you're here with today?
My background is mainly in AI, and I grew up playing music, but one thing led to the other, and I got into blockchain in 2017 and been working in the space since then. Right now, we are building Tenzro.
Awesome. And for those who don't know, can you explain what Tenzro is?
So we're building a distributed system for processing data and training AI and processing all sorts of AI-related jobs.
Gotcha. And where did you kind of see the need for this that made you want to build this particular those product?
Well, we also we were seeing how popular AI was getting like last year, and I just saw a gap between AI and blockchain, and then like the need for compute, which just keeps on becoming more and more relevant, and we just see more and more centralized solutions for that. It's great to see a lot of projects developing deep-in projects, right? But like I also see some gaps there when it comes to integration of AI and these distributed systems.
What are some of the gaps that you see, and how do you plan to address them?
I would say traditionally blockchain is not compatible with AI because it's still very much developing technology, and AI has been in development for much longer. And so, like even at this point, unless we build something like a bridge or a layer on top of blockchain that can interact with AI, it's not really possible without them. So we are just building tools and software that can go in between blockchain and AI and these distributed computing systems that can make it enable both to communicate effectively.
Got you. And for those who I guess are not in the Web3 space, how would this sort of make their lives better, I guess?
Um, our goal is to build solutions that don't require any technical expertise or a background in Web3 per se. And like we just want user experiences that they are familiar with, just like how they use ChatGPT or any other AI apps that they're used to.
Why do you think that there's been such an explosion now in sort of the need for decentralized AI?
As I mentioned earlier, the need for compute is becoming more and more uh, relevant in the space, and AI just requires more and more processing power. And like what we see is there are a few restrictions, also limitations, and also choice when it comes to what's available in the computing space, cloud service providers and others. So we feel like these systems can enable more options, make it more affordable and accessible for a wider group of people.
Yeah, no, I couldn't agree more. Can you talk a little bit about sort of the goals here at Korea Blockchain Week and what you guys are planning for Asia in general?
So this is our first event that we are participating as a team because we are still quite early, just a few months old. And but we see a strong presence for us here in Asia because one of our co-founders is based in Singapore as well. And we just see there's a lot of, I wouldn't say hype, but excitement around these technologies here in Asia. And
Yeah, no, I mean, and what have you kind of found that you think is interesting about being here in Korea? Like, how has Korea Blockchain Week been for you? In another way, I guess, to put it.
Uh, we never we didn't have any expectations.
Mm,
We didn't know what how it would be. So it's all been like great. Like it's been surprising. Everything's been surprising for us. The city itself as well.
yeah, no, what do you like about Seoul?
There's obviously the language barrier, but
Yeah.
and I think it adds to the whole excitement about discovering something new, like learning to get around a place where you're not used to.
Yeah, couldn't agree more. Well, thank you so much for the amazing interview. Is there anything else you want to add?
I think we've covered everything.
Okay, yeah, sounds good. Sweet, thank you so much, and stay tuned for more soon. Hey, what's up? This is
But
Zach.
it's not something Genzio is afraid of.
If you want to survive, you got to build a
How
hive.
many know we do not understand that we do not
Ladies and gentlemen.
We're back at the Genzio Media House.
Awesome. Well, thanks so much for joining us today.